Tired of lugging around a bulky fan just to stay cool? Check out this foldable fan. The height of the fan is adjustable, so it is easy to direct airflow to your target location. Designed to deliver mighty yet gentle airflow as pleasant as natural breeze, this foldaway fan comes with 7 premium fan blades and a brushless DC motor that runs smoothly, providing relaxing coolness in seconds. Furthermore, you can customize your comfort with 4 speed settings. And with a large 7,200 mAh battery, this fan can run for up to 11.5 hours on a full charge. And when it's time to charge, the Type-C port supports fast charging in hours. The fan also rotates 65 degrees and comes with a convenient remote control for easy use. Schedule the fan to turn on and off with 4 timer settings to keep you comfy and cool when you take a break. The frame and premium blades are easily disassembled and cleaned for optimal performance. You can fold the fan into a compact size for easy storage in your camping case if you want to take a cool breeze outside. Get yours and enjoy a new cooling experience now.